So yeah, so just wanted to let you know that I got a surprise package from Nick's yesterday, and it said something about glitter. So I was like, did they send me the free glitter holiday package? I got so excited. It's not something I would buy because I have so much glitter, but I was like, oh, nice. They have supposedly have new colors and stuff, but I'm just not willing to put out the money for it. And what it was this is new. They have glitter goals for the eyes, and it's I got the purple one. I haven't used it yet, and then I put it away, and not sure where I put it, but I they sent me the glitter goals, and supposedly this is like a purpley, looks a little bit more towards the fuchsia side with glitter in it. And then they sent me this. I think these are new things. They're called Candy Slick, I think, or Candy Stick. Candy Stick. And they sent me s'mores, which is supposedly a mauve, and it is. This color actually looks pretty. When you put it on, though, it looks more of a beigey than a mauve. The only thing, it's like a little bit too. It is a gloss, but not a sheer gloss. It leaves color, but it just felt really, really wet. It was weird. It felt really, really, really wet, and it like took a little bit to dry. So that was the only weird thing about it, but it's actually pretty. So they sent me these in the mail. I guess because I'm a part of that crew thingy, they sent me stuff to review. Um, they the last time they sent me something though, it was the new suede lipsticks, and I didn't like the color they sent me. I just gave it to my daughter. It was like a maybe a darkish beige, maybe a warm toned beige, and that's not really my thing. So I just gave it to my daughter. But I went on like any other, velvety, mattish type lipstick. But yeah, they send it to you and then they ask you to review it. And they sent me this card. So I didn't even know they had it. I when I saw this, I went to go look it up online. It's like new. They just posted it online. I'm not even sure if Ulta has it yet. Oh, speaking of Ulta, they had this huge 40% off sale on the lip vault, so I got that, and it was supposed to come tomorrow, but I checked. It says it's gonna be here sometime today. And then the other thing I found out or I realized was the reason why Wet n Wild doesn't have all the colors for their new liquid cat suits for the eyes is because that the grayish black and purple ones were the ones already in the line, and so they only put up the ones that are not already in the line. Not sure if they're going to discontinue some of the colors, but that's why it wasn't at CVS, and that's why they didn't have it with the new colors online. But they had a 30% off plus free shipping, some sort of friends and family sale. And so I said I'm going to get the rest of them. This actually looks really pretty. This is the copper one. This is the metallic one. Um, it looks really pretty in the tube. And then I got the nude ones, the regular matte ones. I got the other ones, and one of them looks really pretty. Not as pretty as the other mauve one, but this one looks nice. So that one was the copper one. You copper cat instead of you copycat. And then these are, let me see, the warmest one is Sandcastle. I think that'd be cool to use as a base color, like I did today with the Benefit one. I think that'd be cool for that. Or if you just don't feel like wearing makeup and you just want to put that on with some mascara and liner, I think that's what that's cool for. So this one is the other one I thought was nice. Putty in my hands, because it's a cool tone, so I like that. And then you have a really, really yellowish one called Camelback. So anyway, I went ahead and bought that for free shipping and 30% off. I went ahead and got that. So yeah, so that's about it. Oh, I know that Milani has some some new stuff, supposedly for the holidays. I would like to get the eye creams, but they're expensive. They're like $11, and they didn't do a bundle like last time. So I think it's like gonna be over $60 if I want them, and I don't know if I want to pay that. I'm gonna see what Black. So far, I haven't heard anything about Black Friday sales, but I'm hoping Sugar Pill does a Black Friday sale. I'd like to get some of those the tea collection. So anyway, so.